Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Adam and Anna podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Adam. Today's episode will help you with something very important: how to talk about yourself in English. Whether you are meeting someone new, going to an interview, or making a friend, this episode will help you speak with confidence. So, let's discuss why talking about yourself matters.
When we meet someone for the first time, they usually ask, "What's your name?" or "What do you do?" or "Where are you from?"
And sometimes we freeze. We want to speak, but the words do not come out. That's why learning simple phrases to introduce yourself is so helpful.
Today, we will give you easy sentences you can use and tell you how to sound confident and friendly. Let's start with the basics.
Let's begin with your name. You can say, "My name is Emily," or "I'm Emily."
Now, let's say your age or your city. I'm 25 years old. I live in London. I'm from New York.
Simple, right? Keep it short and clear.
If you're a student, you can say, "I'm a student at Greenhill University. I study computer science."
And if you have a job, try, "I work as a sales assistant." "I work in marketing." "I'm a teacher."
If you are looking for a job, say, "I'm currently looking for a job. I'm learning new skills and preparing for interviews."
Now let's talk about hobbies. This helps make your introduction more interesting. "I love reading books." "I enjoy watching movies." "In my free time, I like baking."
Try to add one or two hobbies you really enjoy. It helps the listener know more about you.
Let's talk about your personality and goals. To show more about your personality, use phrases like, "I'm a friendly person." "I'm always curious to learn new things." "I'm a team player."
And don't forget your dreams. I want to work in a big company. I hope to travel the world. My goal is to speak English fluently. Let's hear a full introduction with example. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm 24 years old and I live in Toronto. I work as a graphic designer. I enjoy painting and listening to music. I'm friendly and I love learning new things. My goal is to speak English confidently and grow in my career.
So simple and so clear. You can create your own version just like that. Practice it a few times until it feels natural.
Speaking about yourself may feel difficult, but remember, it gets easier with practice. You don't need big words, just honest, clear English.
You already have the words. Just speak from the heart. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Now it's your turn. Write your short introduction in the comments. We'd love to read it.
Thank you for listening to the Adam and Anna podcast. Don't forget, every small step in English is a big step forward.
Like, share, and subscribe to the Adam and Anna podcast. See you next time.